it seems. I know I felt like this before, but now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from you. To ignore, impossible to ignore. And they'll come true, impossible not to do, impossible not to do. Now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me. You're what I couldn't find. A totally amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. Changing every day, in every possible way. And all my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, 'cause you're a dream.